Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Hope you're all doing good. Yes, I am left with a few products today. So yeah, if you're new to my channel, my name is Swati. My channel is called Swati Lovely Life. If you like my video, please don't forget to hit on the subscribe button and then on the bell icon to be notified whenever I upload new videos on my channel. So without further ado, let's get started. Yes guys, I have this product today. Okay. So I know this is out of the box. This is something you would not expect to see on a beauty channel. But yes, I am a book lover. If you know me well, you will know that I love reading books. So a few days ago, I bought this book, which was a newly released book from Sudeep Nagarkar. This is A Second Chance. So this is a book, guys. I have read it and it's an incredible book, I must say. If you are a book lover too, please don't forget to go for this book. It's just awesome. You will love it. So the next product I have is this. This is from a local market. I didn't order it online. It's called the 7 Color Perfection. So this is a concealer. I got it just at rupees 150. And you know what? This has a concealer stick this much. It has a concealer stick as well as this means something that I've been using from the local market from a very long time. This is a concealer liquid. Both of these in a single bottle and price at just 150 rupees with a very good coverage. So let me just show you. If you can see this mark. Look at how well it has covered it. So good. So this is something I've been using and I'm in love with since a very long time, guys. Very long time. And the book, let me tell you, it's available on Amazon and Flipkart. I got it from Amazon and I got a digitally signed book. And the next product I'm going to show you is my favorite product. If you are aware of me, this is also one of my favorite product and I'm restocking it. In my last review video of this L18 eye drama Kajal, I told that I'm about to finish it. So yes, I finished it. But the sad part was that I was not able to find this product anywhere online. Well, Amazon had it, but they wanted us to, this seller actually wanted us to buy at least two, which I could not buy two because I don't know. Kajal is something that lasts for a really long time. So I don't prefer buying Kajal two at a time. So I would not prefer buying two kajals at a time. And Flipkart, see, this product is 90 rupees. Flipkart has 80 rupees delivery charges. There is no such condition as minimum buying, minimum selling, nothing. So if I had to pay so much, I would have gone to Amazon, bought two kajals. So purple, it was not available. Nykaa has this condition of minimum purchase of 1000 for free shipping, which is again a big, otherwise you have to pay 100 rupees of delivery charges, which is a big headache again. So what I decided is, let me go to a local store. When I bought the concealer, I also checked for this. I found it and I bought it. So yes guys, I have it with me finally. So the next product I bought is this eyeshadow palette. One of the favorite product. When I have to tell about this, guys, let me tell you one thing. I went through the reviews before I bought it. This is from the Swiss Beauty Hollywood 32 Color Forever eyeshadows. This is a package. I have to tell you one thing. So I ordered this on Amazon, which was at a very good reasonable price. I think it was around 335 rupees, which was very good. So I bought this for 335 rupees. I ordered it. I was waiting for the package. Before I purchased it, I checked it on Amazon. I checked the reviews on YouTube, on Google. Everything was fine. They said it was highly pigmented. Everything was fine. So I just went ahead and I ordered it. So once I ordered it, I was waiting for the product. I just went to my your orders on Amazon. I checked out this product and I felt like let me recheck the colors. I clicked on the product and I was going through. Then suddenly I saw that the rating was somewhere around 4.5 ish. So I thought, why was this rated by anyone so less when it's a good product? Is what I saw the reviews about. So I just went ahead and was checking the reviews. That's when I realized two of them had mentioned that they got the wrong shade. So yeah, it had different colors, purple, blues, pinks, all this different colors actually made me buy this, go for this. But then when I saw the reviews is when I realized that people actually had got a wrong shade, and the other shade that was there had only whites, blacks, greys and browns. And I was like, shit, what will I get now? And of course I got the delivery. When I got the delivery, I realized that the packaging was so strong with this big bubble wrap, and I was really scared. It was heavily raining, so I can't, if you have watched my previous videos, you will know that I'm someone who orders products with only cash on delivery. So I thought, okay, fine, when the delivery person comes, I will check and give him the money. But it was raining so heavily that I couldn't even make the person wait because of the packaging. I thought, because this product is non-refundable, it's not returnable. I was really confused what to do. Then finally, luckily, when I opened the product, I got the right product. I was like, thank God. Thank you so much. Yeah guys, so that was the story of this eyeshadow. So it comes so prettily packed. I have no complaints whatsoever. And when you open this, it's such a beautiful packaging with a mirror like this. There is a mirror, beautiful mirror, and the colors like this. There is a green, there is a pink, there is blue, there is purple. I mean, all the shades you might think of. But one thing I got a little bit disappointed is the picture on Amazon showed that it had a mix. They didn't tell it anywhere, but it looked, I thought that these shades are all mixture of matte and glitter. Unfortunately, I got products with that's all glitter. So that's something okayish. So let me swatch it for you. Wait, I will put one more color. Yes guys, so this is a swatch of it. Can you see here? My hand is full of swatches today because I have done previous videos. So that is the swatch of this product. I am loving it. I like this product a lot. It's pretty decent, and for the price, it's highly pigmented, very beautiful, very nice. I will make different eye looks using this palette is what I have the idea for you guys, so that I can share with you. And if you haven't watched my this makeup look, it will be coming shortly guys. Please stay tuned to my channel. Okay, the next product that I have bought and the final product in my baggage from Amazon is this makeup brush and this makeup sponge. Can you imagine? I was in search of makeup brushes because as if you all know, I've just started this channel. So this is my first makeup brush set that I have purchased. So I wanted to purchase a makeup brush very badly because I wanted them. So I just went in search of makeup brushes on Nykaa, on Purple, Purple has such expensive makeup brushes. One brush starts at around 200, and Amazon had this set, very fine and beautiful set, for just 210 rupees with 12 brushes, one beauty blender, everything at 210 rupees only. Can you imagine that? Can you beat that? So I don't know how it is. Hope so it is good. Yeah, but yeah, makeup blender is a little blunder, because the beauty blender is a blunder because see this, and it is non-returnable. So whatsoever, I have to use this. I have no other choice. But still I feel it's okay, because it's only a little bit of damage. You know, right? When you can't, it's like the fox and grape story, where you have no other option. Now you have to use it. Just like you don't get the grapes, it is sour, you won't get the makeup blender beauty blender new one, so you have to go with this. Okay, so this is a brush box. I got such beautiful box, Naked Plus. I mean, brush with the box for 210. It's really wow. It's packed like this so beautifully. And here are the brushes. So guys, here are the 12 brushes. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 thin brushes for the lipstick and stuff. Where is it? These are the 7 brushes. Then you have a thick brush for foundation and stuff. Yeah, 2 brushes. These are thick brushes, 3 brushes. This is good for contouring because this is a thin brush. And then you have an eyebrow brush like this. And finally there is a eyeshadow brush like this. So yeah, overall a good purchase, I might say. You can go for it because it's on the inexpensive side. If you are a beginner in makeup, just like me, you can definitely try this out, because it's not very expensive, and the brush is also very soft. It feels really soft on your face. It's really nice. So yes guys, you can go for it. You will love the brushes, they are really nice. And here I end this video, because that's all the products I have to show to you guys today. Until my next video, take care, subscribe to my channel, and I will be posting videos daily. So until my next video, bye bye, take care, love you all.